Alright, we have given a question which is Math Olympiad equation, of course, which is x power 3 plus x, which is equal to 10. Okay? Solution. And copy what we have, x power 3 plus x equal to 10. So what you have to do is this one, x power 3 plus x then minus 10 equal to 0. Okay? Then what you have to do, you have x power 3 plus x. Then we have to find numbers which is equal to 10. 10 can be written as 8 plus 2, which equal to 0. Okay? Whereas x power 3 plus x minus 8 minus 2 equal to 0. By grouping like terms, x power 3 minus 8 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. And right here, x power 3 minus this 8 can be, we can change it into base 2 binary operation, whereas 8 equal to 2 power 3 plus x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay? So that at right here we have x minus 2 for this one only, which equal to x minus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Then plus for this one, x minus 2 equal to 0. Okay? Then you have this one which is the same. You have to factorize x minus 2, then open bracket of x squared minus 2x plus 4 plus 1, okay, equal to 0. So that x minus 2 equal to 0, or x squared minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay? At this stage here, x equal to 2, or, and of course this is a quadratic equation of x squared minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Okay? So that you have to use formula method, which is x squared. You have to say x1 and 2 equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay? Then what you have, x1 and 2 equal to negative b equal to 2 plus or minus square root of b squared is equal to 4 minus 4 times 1 times 5 over 2. Okay? Then x1 and 2, but here you can say x is 2 and 3 because of x1 right here. Okay? 2 plus or minus square root of, this is 20, 4 minus 20 equal to negative 16 over 20 over 2, and x2 and 3 equal to 2 plus or minus, then this can be 4i, which is complex number. Okay? So that x2 and 3 equal to 1 plus or minus 2i. Okay? As final answer, by checking if our answer is correct, you have to say that x power 3 plus x equal to 10. So that what you have to do right here is this. We have x which is equal to 2, to mean that 2 power 3 plus 2 equal to 10 question mark. This is 8 plus 2 10 over a 10, so that left hand side equal to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.